Good evening. According to Ashley's debate, I still stand by my facts of you were not born a criminal. However, become a criminal based off of the life that you live and the way that you were raised as a child. Ashley's first point was based off of the aspect of your conscience. The way that when you're born, the conscience that you have as you get older, you have that conscience to know what is right and wrong. However, I would like to fight the fact that once again, the conscience is what's developed as a kid into your adult years based off of what you were taught as a child from your parents. So if your parents don't teach you from right from wrong, then you will not know what right from wrong is. However, not having a proper conscience. The second example that Ashley stated was stating that if you were to have two parents that committed a crime, let's say were drug addicts and sold drugs, then likely that child will commit crimes also because both the parents committed crimes. However, I disagree with this. Once again, I feel that just because you were born into a family of criminals doesn't mean that you will become a criminal. A personal example that we'll use is actually my father. My father was born to two parents that sold drugs in the 70s and made money off of drugs. Both criminal aspects. However, my father is actually the opposite. He has never sold drugs in his life and is highly successful based off of the military rank, achieving one of the highest ranks there are. With this logic that Ashley provided, technically my dad should have been a criminal and had been to jail, such as my grandparents. So this, however, yes, according to statistics, many kids that follow in their parents' footsteps of being a criminal tend to become a criminal always, but this is not always the case, and they doesn't mean that because they were born to parents of criminal aspects that they will be criminals. This goes on to further prove my point that you were not born a criminal and that you become a criminal based off the life that you live, the way that you were taught to survive, and the environment that you're in.